Okay, so we're going to show a demonstration of the Keypad scanner. Here's our keypad. It's plugged into pins 2 through 9. Those are the Arduino pin numbers on our microcontroller. And we're going to look at pressing the buttons and seeing what's happened on the debugger. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, star, number sign. Notice that when we press a button, the LED turns on, stays on till we release the button. That's just an indicator in case we're not plugged into the debugger. We're standing alone and we know that at least the key was recognized.